What else we can do in this application? So let's check another project. It was about vegetables, and I will show you how to add text and audio to your image. So first of all, you type a word, which you want to see. In my case, it's tomato. Then you can see that there are a lot of options of color, font, and so on. I will choose this text effect and add it to my picture. After that, I would also like to add my own audio file. I open the folder, choose, download it. And the other things which I can adjust are located here. In this case, I will press a button autoplay. I also can do loop and other things. So if I'm ready, I press a preview, and as usually, I will show you results with the help of my mobile phone. Thank you very much.